Hey guys, this is Mr. The Adder, and today I'm going to show you how to make mods for Minecraft. Today we're going to be using MCreator 1.8.3 for version 1.12.2 for Minecraft. All you need is the download link, which I will be providing in the comments, the actual download, a terminal, and really that's all you need. And you also need a Minecraft username and password. So let's get started. I've already saved some time by downloading the required software, MCreator 1.8.3, and I'm going to let it open. And here we go. Now I can open this up. This is MCreator 1.8.3, the files. So now all you need to do is drag it to your desktop, and I have auto sort, so it'll automatically pop up here. You can delete the DMG too, just as soon as it finishes copying to desktop. And now that this is done, all you have to do is come on over to the actual file and double click mcreator.command. And now, right now, it will say that, but all you need to do to fix that is right click and then hit open, and then hit open. And now it'll open up a new terminal video. What I recommend is to use Java version 1.8, and in order to check what Java version you have is to just open up another terminal video, terminal tab, and type in Java --version. Let it load for a bit, and you will get your Java version. It'll say Java SE runtime environment and your build 1.8.0. And now back to this. This will show up. This will stay here. And you do not want to exit out, or else you will close the actual required program. And now Pilo will pop up. That is the company that makes MCreator. So all you have to do now is to wait for Pilo to load up and allow the initial workspace system to completely load up. And yeah, this is my part 1 video where I have just shown you how to install it. Next video I will be showing you how to make your first element, and after that I'll be showing you how to compile it and turn it into your own mod. Remember, this is only available with Java versions beneath 9.0, and also it is only available for, right now I am working with Mac, and it's only available for currently up to date Minecraft 1.12.2. See you guys next time.